Welcome back to the Glock Carry Project series. This will be phase one, which is going to be an overview of the firearm as well as the goals of the series. I got some comments in the last installment about different modifications and what's necessary and what isn't necessary. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to take a moment and just clarify there is nothing wrong with this firearm whatsoever. You can, in my opinion, and me personally, I feel confident in taking a Glock 19 out of the box and loading it and being confident that it will do its part to assist me in my self-defense. There is nothing about the Glock stock design that makes me feel compelled to need to change something. What this series is going to be doing is just more of a rigging type modification than to say, listen, I need to put in this different trigger and this different recoil spring. So don't be expecting anything quite like that out of me. What we're going to be discussing is going to be training, which we got a snap cap there to represent, dry fire training, things like that. We're going to be doing some target shooting. So we got the FMJ there, represent that. And I want to talk to y'all about different accessories, how many magazines we need, what we feel is adequate and why, what we want to do for lighting. If we're going with the self-defense thing, our different lighting solutions, even the loading of the magazines, any sort of loading type equipment. Overall, this firearm as it sits is in good shape. There's nothing on it that's broken. The one thing that I have seen as a fault, believe it or not, and something that I will be changing out here very shortly, and the part has been on order already, is going to be changing out this adjustable rear sight. When I first purchased this pistol and I saw that adjustable sight, I thought, man, I'm in. This is going to be great. And it wasn't. I'm not pleased with how it adjusts. I'm not pleased with the sight picture. What I'm going to be doing is having it changed back out for stock. To let you guys know, if you need a comparison, to have a gunsmith change it back out and do it correctly with the gun vise and everything, it was $20 for both parts and install. So that is where we are at with the project. Thanks a bunch for your time and thanks for watching. Feel free to comment or share your experiences or thoughts.